Want to track smarter, train harder, and live healthier, all from your wrist? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Meet the Amazfit Active 2, designed to bring smarter health tracking and everyday convenience into a sleek, lightweight smartwatch. It blends a vibrant display, upgraded fitness features, and improved battery efficiency, making it a solid choice for users who want style, simplicity, and reliable performance without breaking the bank. What's in the box? Let's see what you get in the box. Inside the box, you'll find the smartwatch with a standard and accessory strap, magnetic charging head, an instruction manual, technical specifications. It features a stainless steel bezel with a durable polymer case and a comfortable silicone strap, while the premium version adds a black leather option. The 1.32-inch AMOLED always-on display delivers crisp visuals at 466 by 466 pixels, with up to 2,000 nits of brightness. Lightweight and sleek at 43.9 millimeters, with a 9.9 millimeter profile, it's comfortable all day. Running on Zepp OS 2.0, it's smooth and responsive. Track your heart rate, SpO₂, stress, sleep, and over 160 sports modes for any workout. With 5 ATM water resistance, 270 milliamp-hour battery, lasting up to 10 days of typical use, 19 days in power saver mode, and 21 hours of GPS usage, Bluetooth 5.2, and 5 satellite GNSS positioning for accurate tracking, and a built-in mic and speaker keep you connected and on top of your fitness. Available in black, red, or premium leather, the Amazfit Active 2 offers style, fitness, and technology on your wrist. Product features. The Amazfit Active 2 features a stainless steel bezel with a fiber-reinforced polymer case paired with a comfortable silicone strap. The premium version adds a black leather option for a more refined look. It is water-resistant up to 5 ATM, making it suitable for swimming, workouts, and everyday wear. Stay on top of your health with 24/7 heart rate monitoring, SpO₂ tracking, stress measurement, and sleep analysis. The Zepp app provides personalized readiness insights to help you maintain a balanced lifestyle. Track over 160 sports modes with precision, from running and cycling to swimming, yoga, and HIIT. Real-time stats and detailed workout insights ensure every session is monitored accurately. Powered by Zepp OS 2.0, the Active 2 delivers smooth navigation and quick responses to every swipe and tap. The 270 milliamp-hour battery lasts up to 10 days on typical use, 19 days in power saver mode, and offers around 21 hours of continuous GPS tracking. Stay connected via Bluetooth 5.2 and accurate 5 satellite GNSS positioning. Easily access apps and workouts with 2 side buttons and a full touchscreen interface, and make calls directly from your wrist using the built-in microphone and speaker. Device layout and functions. Let's know your device layout. On the front, the upper button powers the watch, opens the app list, and lets you scroll pages. The lower button gives quick access to a chosen app. On the back, the charging contacts power the watch. The heart rate sensor tracks your pulse. This design makes navigating the watch and monitoring your health simple and intuitive. Wearing the watch. Get the perfect fit for all-day comfort. To remove the strap, press the quick release pin and slide it out. Repeat on the other side. To attach a new strap, align it with the lug, press the pin, and lock it in place. Ensure both sides are secure and your watch is ready to wear. Place the watch comfortably on your wrist, ensuring the back sensors make full contact with your skin. Adjust the strap for a snug, but not tight fit, so it stays in place during daily activities and accurately tracks your health metrics. How to pair. Make sure your phone has the latest Zepp app installed, is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and has Bluetooth turned on. Turn on your Amazfit Active 2 by holding the top button until the screen lights up. Open the Zepp app on your phone and tap Add Device, then select Watch. Bring the watch close to your phone and scan the QR code shown on the watch screen, or choose Pair manually if needed. Confirm the pairing request on both the watch and the phone. Follow the on-screen instructions and allow all necessary permissions. Keep both devices near each other while data syncs and setup completes. Once syncing finishes, tap Done on the watch, and your Amazfit Active 2 is ready to use. How to charge. Attach the magnetic charging head to the back of the watch. Connect the charger to a USB power source. Ensure the watch is properly aligned with the charger. Charging will start automatically. Leave it connected until the battery is full. Disconnect and your watch is ready to go. How to reset your watch. Method 1. Reset via watch settings. Open Settings on your watch. Scroll down and tap System. Select Factory Reset or Reset Watch. Confirm your choice when prompted. The watch will restart and return to factory settings. Method 2. Reset using hardware buttons. Turn off the watch. Press and hold the top and bottom buttons simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. Release the buttons when the Amazfit logo appears. The watch will perform a hard reset and restart, restoring factory settings. Resetting will erase all data, including apps, settings, and personal information. Make sure your watch is backed up via the Zepp app before proceeding. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build, the Amazfit Balance 2 features a rugged 47mm aluminum alloy frame with a fiber-reinforced polymer body, built for tough outdoor conditions. In comparison, the Amazfit Active 2 has a smaller, round case with a stainless steel bezel and polymer middle frame, offering a lighter and more everyday-friendly design. Display and sizes. Looking at the display, the Balance 2 comes with a larger 1.5-inch AMOLED screen with sapphire glass, delivering sharp visuals and durable protection. The Active 2, on the other hand, features a 1.32-inch AMOLED display, with the premium version also sporting sapphire glass, providing a crisp, compact, and stylish look. Battery and storage. For battery and storage, the Balance 2 packs a 658 mAh battery, giving up to 21 days of typical use. The Active 2 comes with a smaller 270 mAh battery, offering up to 10 days of regular use. Storage-wise, the Balance 2 has 32 GB internal memory, while the Active 2 also provides ample space for apps and music. Pros and cons. The Amazfit Active 2 delivers strong value with a bright AMOLED display, long battery life, accurate GPS, offline maps, and extensive sports tracking. However, it also faces limitations: occasional software lag, inconsistent heart rate accuracy during intense activity, GPS drift in challenging areas, and the absence of NFC. Balanced between performance and compromise, the Active 2 stands as a capable everyday fitness companion. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.